Hammertime.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today we are going to be turning this big piece of ash to a carving mallet. Stay tuned, I'll show you how I do it. this mallet turned out really, really nice in my opinion. The piece right here, this piece actually, see, you can see it, it chipped clean out, completely chipped out. So I had to glue it back in with super glue, and then turn it a little bit, and then use super glue in the cracks and cover it with sawdust, and let the sawdust kind of mix with the super glue to kind of create a seamless joint. And you know, it came out pretty seamlessly. And then it was really easy just sanding off the ends. That was super simple. Just rub a little beeswax on it after the tung oil and just wipe it on. And the beeswax really added a nice touch. This is the first time I've used it, and I am absolutely loving it. It works really well for this, and it really left a really nice sheen on it. So, you know, I'm really liking it. So, alright, I hope you liked this video, and make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And until next time, guys, it's hammer time!